Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. This is Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody? It's Brock and we got a brand new episode of All About today. Today we have a coral video. Finally another coral we get to learn about. If you don't know me, I'm Brock and I've been working at a fish store for many years now. So I like to give my experience and knowledge on these corals and fish so that you can have a better idea of how to take care of them, and also make sure to look down in the comments for other opinions on people, because the more we know, the more we get to learn about them. So today we are learning about Acans. It's a very cool LPS coral to get. So prices on them, they can really range on you. You know, we've had frags of them in the shop as cheap as like 14 bucks, and then had like big stocks of them with crazy colors, and they'll be upwards of $100 or more. Just kind of depends on colors mainly, and then how many heads are on it. Care level, they are moderate, but not too bad. Temperature, you want to keep it 72 to 78. I definitely keep it in the 78 range. Definitely want to keep it warm on the corals. DKH 8 to 12, pH 8.1 to 8.4, and your salinity 1.023 to 1.025. We normally keep it at 2.4 in all of our coral tanks. Colors, there are so many color Acans you can get. Reds, grays, greens, purples, oranges, blues, they're all mixed in at the same time. Most of the time you're going to see oranges and reds on them. That's a pretty common color. And then like we have some green and purple ones in our shop right now, and they're like $100 for them. So it is pretty expensive whenever you want some of them different colors on them. Diet. So these guys are photosynthetic, but you definitely want to make sure they still get some food, because that's going to help them grow and keep them healthy and keep them real fat and looking pretty. So a lot of times I try to feed them oyster feast or some pellets. If you drop it right down on them, their mouth will open and they'll grab it. And then fuel is another one to try, and also reeferoids is another good one that you can spot feed. Origin, they are aquacultured. Venomous, no. They're not really venomous, but when they do eat, you will notice these little tentacles that come out right around their mouth, and these can actually sting other corals, but you want to just realize that they're super short, so you should have no problem with them actually stinging other corals. It's just right there by their mouth. So next is placement. Normally you want to put these on the bottom in the middle, so you want to keep them at that low just because they really don't need that much light on them. I've had people put Acans at the very top of their tank and they actually got bleached out, so definitely make sure to put them down there by the sand or kind of in the middle of your tank. Current, definitely want low to moderate current. I'd recommend low. That way they get to swell up real big and look real pretty for you. If the current is too high, they will not come out. They will stay really small, and there you basically see the skeleton of them, so make sure you keep them in a real low current area. Tank size doesn't matter. Just make sure your water's really good, you got your calcium and your KH levels up, and also feeding them real good. They do grow by the head, so every couple of months you'll start to see new little heads grow around them, and they will take over, so make sure you put them in a spot that they have plenty of room to grow. Personally, I would not frag them unless you have one of those really nice fragging buzz saws, or if you're just really wanting to get antsy with it, a hacksaw is probably the only other way to get down into their skeleton and cut through. They're just really tough corals to cut. I would just recommend letting them grow and just get big. Other than that, I think we've hit everything you need to take care of these Acans. Low lighting, low current, and that'll keep them really pretty. And make sure if you really want them to grow quick, drop pellets right in the middle of them, and they'll eat those up really fast. Hope you all have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. We got tons of them on fish, and we're slowly but surely getting more coral videos out. I will see y'all later.